Hey guys, it's Molly. I'm here for our first Instagram Live for the teens. Let's see how this goes. If you guys like it, we can definitely do more of these. So, I hope your guys' summer has been going well. Mine's been going awesome. I'm in front of the pretty window, so I thought I would give you guys something nice to look at while we talk about plants because there's plants in the background. So, a couple things about summer reading. Our summer reading is coming to an end next week. The last day you can submit book reviews for raffle tickets and submit raffle tickets is August 10th for the teens. Also, don't forget that we have a wrap party August um, 13th. It's the Thursday next week. And we're going to have a poetry slam. You can just watch, you can participate, you can submit beforehand. It's totally up to you guys, but it should be pretty awesome. So make sure to register for that. It's on the event page, the link to register, or you can email me if you want the link. Hey! Um, so that's that. If you guys haven't picked up your succulent, that's what this entire thing is about succulents. So here's some tips about your succulents. The ones that I bought for you guys are actually indoor succulents, so don't try to go plant it in the garden. You will kill it. Also, the pots that you have, if you look at the bottom, there's two things. One, your beanstack code, so you can get credit for doing this, and two, you also get a little hole, and that hole's not a mistake. It's actually for drainage. If you guys haven't done any kind of plants before, they need drainage so that there's not extra water in them, and otherwise they get mold and then they die, and we're kind of trying to do the opposite. I mean, I stink at keeping plants alive, but I'm trying to help you guys to not become me. Let's see what else I got for you. So, another thing about the succulents is you're going to think they need more water than they do. They are desert plants, so they really do not need a lot of water. My suggestion to you would be touch the soil. If it feels kind of wet, then it's fine. If it feels dry, spray it with some water. Instead of pouring it on, see if you can find a little old spray bottle. That way you can spray it, that way it's a lighter amount of water. Also, your plant is going to love living near the light. It doesn't want really harsh sunlight all the time, but put it on a windowsill, it'll help it. Um, Also, the plants are dormant for part of the year, so if it stops growing, it's not you. Think of it like the trees, how the trees lose their leaves and they're not dead, they just lose their leaves. The succulents don't lose their leaves, they just kind of stop growing for a little bit, but then they'll restart when their internal clock starts up again. Also, terrariums. We all love a good succulent terrarium. I know I've bought some fake ones. You guys have probably seen them. They're like Insta goals, but unfortunately, they will kill your succulent. Go buy the fake ones if you want, but don't try and do them yourself. It really won't help your plant. And the whole point of this is try and keep the plant alive, you guys. So, terrariums, super cute, but also equal dead plant. So, not super cute because of that. Also, some of you guys got the terracotta pots, excuse me, but not all of you. If you guys want to continue to grow your succulent collection, terracotta pots are the best kind because they absorb any excess moisture, but the more pliable ones that some of you may have gotten is totally fine. If you guys do want to grow your succulent garden, just make sure that it's the same kind of succulent. These are indoor succulents. The soil that you guys got for them is specifically for indoor plants. It's a special it's Miracle-Gro. It'll help it kind of settle in and it'll give it the nutrients it needs. Just make sure that it's the same kind of succulent, because if it's an outdoor succulent or another kind of one, it might kill it. Kind of think of it like a parasite. It'll take it over and take up all the space and all the roots, and we want the succulents to live in harmony. We want them to be friends. All of that good stuff. As for decorating the pots, I decided to leave that up to you guys. You guys can use Sharpies, you can use paint, you can use super glue. If you guys saw what one of our tag members did with the dragon eggs early in the summer, it's on our Instagram. Definitely go check it out. It was amazing, mind-blowing. So because of that, I really wanted to leave it up to you guys because you guys are way more, way more creative than I am. So definitely go check that out. Kind of think about different ways that you can decorate it, and if you want, you can post a picture and tag us in it, and we'll definitely feature it on our social media if you want. As for other tips, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I'm not a great plant person, so I gave this to you guys to help you not be me. If you don't know the answer to something, Google it with a specific symptom for the succulent. 9 times out of 10, the answer will be right there in the results because someone else will have run into that issue. If you're still having issues, you could go to like a garden center or something, and I'm sure they'd be able to help you. Or you can contact me and I will help you as best I can. But I like succulents, they're pretty, but I also kill them. There are no live plants in my house. Before we go, I just wanted to give you guys an update about the prizes. If you missed that post, we have a whole heck of a ton of prizes for the teens. We have a bunch of baskets and like big baskets and then bundles. We have so many book bundles, you guys, so definitely make sure you're putting your tickets in, your raffle tickets into all those prizes. We have book bundles, candy bundles, we have Fun in the Sun baskets that have things like towels and floaties and cool sunglasses and speakers. We have faux AirPods that you can get that comes in a technology basket with a neon sign that's in the shape of a narwhal, which is my personal favorite thing that I found for you guys. There's a Harry Potter basket, there's a Star Wars basket. There's so many prizes, so many cool prizes that I wish I could do. Oh no, the extra soil is actually for that plant because if you look at the container, it's not a lot of soil, and that soil is very dry and kind of old. The extra soil is a special Miracle Grow to kind of help it adapt to the new pot so it can grow a little bit more. But if you want to keep it in its original thing for now and just kind of pat it in, that'd be totally fine. But if you guys kind of take the plant holder itself, the original one that comes in, and kind of shake it, most of them will seem pretty loose because they don't pack in a lot of soil, or it's been sitting in there for a couple days, so it kind of dries up because they haven't been watered. So I hope that answers your question. Looking to see, I think that's Emerson. Hi, Emerson. Because I'm on, your guys' profiles are like this big. So yeah, I have that's some info about the prizes. I hope I gave you guys some good info about the succulents. I really wish you guys were here with me because this would be so much more fun other than talking to myself, but I get to talk to you guys virtually. It's pretty cool. And hopefully I will be able to see you guys soon. I'm going to stop rambling, but hopefully maybe we could have an outdoor program. We're thinking about it. If you guys have any suggestions or you want me to do anything, as always, email me, contact me. I'm always happy to try and do what you guys want. And stay happy, stay healthy, wear face masks. We don't want you to get sick. And I'll see you later. Bye, guys.